people, so this is my second video of the day. And people, yesterday for the first time I was kind of cleaning up my videos, so to speak, in terms of I was going through all of the 512, no, actually there were 514 videos. Yeah, 514 or 15, yeah, 500 and things. So I was just going through it, seeing that whether the thumbnail is good enough. I mean, sometimes they are like very bad. So then I had to delete like 2 or 3 videos, two I think, because it was the thumbnail was just not so great, and 3 videos I think. And then I felt I could reshoot it. So the thing is, people, in life, this is also a very good tip, that it's nice to go back and revise. In school also we used to, the more revisions you do, the better you get at something, right? So that's like a golden tip in this particular video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.